right, we have with us to introduce the next event one of the NLF co-founders, Mr. Amin Haq. Over to you, Amin.
This gives me great pleasure. I am reminded of a children's literature festival a few years ago, uh, where Kapil introduced me, and I'm so excited that I am getting. It's a privilege and an honor to introduce and be in conversation with Kapil in this section today. Kapil, I have become familiar with your work, and I'm a huge admirer in recent times. And I love your work. I have seen different performances that I could catch glimpses of on YouTube. Now, you are a person who makes me feel bad, and I'll be honest why. You sing, you tell stories, you write, you work with poetry, you act on stage. Is there something you don't do?
Don't do is what I do quite a bit. You have so much to offer. There's a problem of plenty. So the don't do variety is very, 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 very often.
Yeah, but tell us, what are the few things that if you really want to do over the next couple of years, apart from all the things that you do? And I know you play guitar as well.
Yeah, I think it's about getting more time, I guess, and the fact that if I could do that, if I could get more time, I'd like to really teach more, because I think that gives me the opportunity to learn a little more. Otherwise, there's no pressure to learn. Travel more, of course, whenever we are on the other side, I guess, but to travel as much as possible, and run more. Not run away from anything really, but to literally run. I really want to run the Ladakh Ultra at some point of time in my life. So I guess, yeah, those 2-3 things.
What a wonderful checklist that is. And I hope you get to do everything on that checklist in the next few years. Kapil, share with us and share with the viewers a little bit about your early influences, the literary works, the authors, the poets who have left a deep mark on you, and the kind of work that you gravitate towards.
I think, I'm sorry, I'm going to throw a backstory here, isn't So I guess, and I think वो backstory है, because I think one of the big influences for me takes me back to my childhood, and that big influence has been that of cricket, and I have some really, really, really vivid memories of being this 4 or 5-year-old when I thought I was the only left-arm pacer in this whole wide world, until this gentleman by the name of Wasim Akram, he arrived on stage. And, I actually genuinely thought that Wasim Akram might have actually visited Delhi and copied my bowling arm action, because I was bowling since 1983 and he, I think, debuted in 1984. So, but I think as I grew older, one of the things that I would keep asking even as a child, and this is also the time when I perhaps learned the fact that Pakistan and India, Bangladesh, we used to be one country once upon a time. And that really bummed me out, because my response would be, why did we really divide? Did we really want a bad cricket team? So, and this stayed with me, because I think as I grew older, some of the great works of literature, poetry, music that I encountered, be it Gulzar or Sahir or Manto, Bob Dylan, John Lennon, Pete Seeger, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, or lately Piyush Mishra. These people really left a big mark, and I think each time I sort of read or listened to their works, they took me back to my childhood, asking the same questions, perhaps through the lens of cricket.
Lovely. Anyone growing up in India at one point of time, and I'm sure in Pakistan and Bangladesh, this thought would have crossed their mind that if only, just take the top players in all the 3 nations cricket teams, if only it was one team, how we would have.
सोने पे सुहागा होता मतलब, yeah.
Now you spoke about your influences, and I do know that one of the songwriters, singers that you are deeply influenced by is Edward McCurdy,
Yes.
and especially the famous song that he wrote about the
Absolutely.
team that he had. Um, can I embarrass you enough and
Yeah,
put
yeah.
you in a hot seat and ask you to sing that song for us?
Neki or Pooch Pooch. I think this song has been sung by and put to music by a lot of musicians, some really amazing ones. Paul Simon was one of them. Uh, a couple of them that I do not remember right now. Peter, Paul, and Mary being another sort of group who kind of did this. The one I really kind of was inspired by was the one that Pete Seeger put to music. I'll sing that one for you. Last night I had the strangest dream I'd never dreamed before. I dreamed the world had all agreed to put an end to war. I dreamed I saw a mighty room, and the room was filled with men and women. And the papers they were signing said they'd never fight again. And when the papers all were signed and 1,000,000 copies made, they all joined hands and bowed their heads, and grateful prayers were prayed. And the people on the streets below were dancing round and round, and swords and guns and uniforms were scattered on the ground. Last night I had the strangest dream I'd never dreamed before. I dreamed the world had all agreed to put an end to war.
How beautiful. How beautiful.
Isn't it?
Thank you so much for doing that for us, Kapil. Now, this kind of idealism, this kind of romantic worldview, and when I say romantic, of a world that is beautiful, of a world that is in the best possible shape, that quest, that kind of seeking is reflected in your work as well. And one piece where you bring it alive really beautifully is what you refuse to call a poem, Akire.
Yeah. I mean, people have said, "Aap apni kahani sunaiye." So I felt that it's really not fair to call this one a story, because some people say that the story is made up of events that have either already taken place, or given the current and past situations, events that can take place. So if I call this one a story, those people will certainly laugh at me. Yeah, I think you could call it a poem. I prefer Bawre Man ke Khayali Pulao. So Bawra Man would be this mad hatter, isn't it? And Khayali Pulao Pakana is daydreaming, wishful thinking. But mind you, I mean, I guess some of us are waiting for is a few mad hatters to get together someday. When that happens, खूब पकेंगे Khayali Pulao, I guess. So just one quick word. I mean, I've used this pen name Kisle, a pseudonym. In Hindi we call it Upnaam or Takhallus. The story of Kisle is a long one, and for another time, I guess. But in short, you may know that when I was born, the short list of names that was prepared for me, and Kapil wasn't part of that list, by the way. That was a name I gave to myself much later, and Wasim Akram has something to do with that too. Kisle was one of them. So I thought I might as well use it in my writings. This poem is in Hindi. What I'll try and do is that I'll translate enough so that the people who are watching can kind of stay with me, stay within the context as much as possible. Yeah. तो पेशे खिदमत है लकीरें. कल रात का सपना बड़ा अजब था. So sapna would be dream and ajab would be strange, bizarre. कल रात का सपना बड़ा अजब था, जो कुछ देखा बड़ा गजब था. And गजब would be amazing. कल रात का सपना बड़ा अजब था, जो कुछ देखा बड़ा गजब था. पृथ्वी के नक्शे की लकीरें, the lines that make the map of earth. पृथ्वी के नक्शे की लकीरें, गाढ़ी लकीरें, काली लकीरें, मोटी लकीरें, ऊंची लकीरें, गहरी लकीरें, जहरी लकीरें, बांटती हैं जो हमें लकीरें. These lines that divide us, लगी पिघलने वो एकदम से. They began to melt. और हो गई बिल्कुल गायब, जैसे सर से सींग गधी के. Now this is an idiom in Hindi that comes from the realm of folk. And it supposes that once upon a time, donkeys had horns and they disappeared all of a sudden. So the people who are watching, suddenly, if you decide to disappear on me while I'm reciting, my question to Amin would be, Amin bhai, did I say something so terrible that everyone signed out? And Amin would say, nahi, in his politeness, Kapil, you were very good, all that. So in that point of time, I'm going to say, तो फिर मैंने ऐसा क्या कह दिया कि सब लोग गायब हो गए जैसे गधे के सर से सींग. So that's where this idiom comes from. तो कल रात का सपना बड़ा अजब था, जो कुछ देखा बड़ा गजब था. पृथ्वी के नक्शे की लकीरें, गाढ़ी लकीरें, काली लकीरें, मोटी लकीरें, ऊंची लकीरें, गहरी लकीरें, जहरी लकीरें, बांटती हैं जो हमें लकीरें. लगी पिघलने वो एकदम से, और हो गई बिल्कुल गायब, जैसे सर से सींग गधे के. बंदूक लिए जो खड़े थे सैनिक, सोल्जर्स विद गन्स, बंदूक लिए जो खड़े थे सैनिक, इस तरफ भी उस तरफ भी रह गए मानो हक्का बक्का, लगा हो जैसे बड़ा सा झटका. They were dumbstruck, in total shock. Where is the line? बंदूक लिए जो खड़े थे सैनिक, इस तरफ भी उस तरफ भी रह गए मानो हक्का बक्का, लगा हो जैसे कोई झटका. फेंक दी फिर अपनी बंदूकें. They threw away their guns. फेंक दी फिर अपनी बंदूकें, आह भरी सबने राहत की. Heave the sigh of relief. फेंक दी फिर अपनी बंदूकें, आह भरी सबने राहत की. एक दूजे को देखा एकटक, छूट पड़ी फिर हंसी सभी की. धूम मच गई फिर लोगों की, धूम मच गई फिर लोगों की, लहर खुशी की सब पे छाई. People were celebrating. धूम मच गई फिर लोगों की, लहर खुशी की सब पे छाई. जहां कभी होती थी लकीरें, वहीं लगे सब ईद मनाने. चलते थे जहां बम और गोली, रंगों ने थी जमा दी होली. कौन यहां का कौन वहां का, बूझ न पाए किसलय काका. So किसलय काका couldn't tell the difference between us and them. धूम मच गई फिर लोगों की, लहर खुशी की सब पे छाई. जहां कभी होती थी लकीरें, वहीं लगे सब ईद मनाने. चलते थे जहां बम और गोली, रंगों ने थी जमा दी होली. कौन यहां का कौन वहां का, बूझ ना पाए किसलय काका. अच्छा, नेताजी कुछ टेंशन में थे. Now you can make your own meaning for this one. The thing with Hindi is that you sometimes can't tell whether the word is singular or plural. So is this one tense politician, some tense politicians, or all the politicians are somewhat tense? You may decide that basis your own political affiliations. तो नेताजी कुछ टेंशन में थे, खोए हुए या अनशन में थे. किसके विरुद्ध अब होगी लड़ाई? Whom shall we fight wars with? अरे चुनाव कैसे जीतेंगे भाई? What will be our election plans? तो नेताजी कुछ टेंशन में थे, खोए हुए या अनशन में थे. किसके विरुद्ध अब होगी लड़ाई? चुनाव कैसे जीतेंगे भाई? ले आए पृथ्वी का नक्शा. You got hold of the map. ले आए पृथ्वी का नक्शा और काली चौक का बड़ा सा बक्सा. Box filled with black chalks. ले आए पृथ्वी का नक्शा और काली चौक का बड़ा सा बक्सा. लगे खींचने फिर वो लकीरें, गाढ़ी लकीरें, काली लकीरें, मोटी लकीरें, ऊंची लकीरें, गहरी लकीरें, जहरी लकीरें. नहीं जानते थे लेकिन वो कि प्रेम जहां कब्जा कर लेता. वंस लव हैज कॉन्कर्ड द विंड्स. रंगों की जहां नदियां बहती, where rivers of colors flow. झप्पी से जहां दिन शुरू होते, where people start their days by hugging everyone. तो नहीं जानते थे लेकिन वो कि प्रेम जहां कब्जा कर लेता, रंगों की जहां नदियां बहती, झप्पी से जहां दिन शुरू होते, वहां ना लकीरें खिंच पाएंगी. रंगों में वो मिल जाएंगी, रंगों में वो मिल जाएंगी.
आहा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. वाह, मजा आ गया. ये लकीरों बिना की दुनिया, इसको सुन के आपसे प्रेरित होके कपिल, और जो हमारी थीम है इमेजिनरी लाइंस, तो उसको ध्यान में रख करके कल ही कल और आज ही आज मैंने भी कुछ लिखा है
क्या
कि
बात?
कि हाँ लकीरें काटती हैं, हाँ लकीरें काटती हैं, हमको हम में और उनको उनमें छांटती हैं.
आहा,
एक हिस्सा इधर तो एक हिस्सा उधर, एक हिस्सा इधर तो एक हिस्सा उधर, अलग अलग हिस्सों में हमको बांटती हैं. हाँ लकीरें काटती हैं, लेकिन बेचारी लकीरों का क्या दोष. लेकिन इसमें बेचारी लकीरों का क्या कसूर. इनके पीछे देखो कोई शातिर बैठा है जरूर.
वाह,
वरना वरना इन लकीरों को देखो तो जानो, इमोजी की भाषा ही पहचानो. इमोजी की भाषा ही पहचानो. उदासी भी एक लकीर है, चिंता भी एक लकीर है, गुस्सा भी एक लकीर है, तो स्माइली भी तो एक लकीर है.
क्या बात, बहुत खूब अमीन भाई.
ये मेरा तेरा का हिसाब छोड़कर आओ अच्छे गणित की दुनिया में जाएं. आओ कपिल पांडे की दुनिया में जाएं, अच्छे गणित की दुनिया में जाएं और माइनस की लकीर हटाएं. एक लकीर तुम भी लाओ, एक लकीर हम भी लाएं, आओ ज्यादा की दुनिया बनाएं. एक लकीर तुम भी लाओ, एक लकीर हम भी लाएं, कि डिवीजन की नहीं मल्टीप्लिकेशन की दुनिया बनाएं. एक लकीर तुम भी लाओ, एक लकीर हम भी लाएं. ये लकीर इन दूसरी लकीरों से ऐसे मिल जाए कि प्यार की एक गांठ बंध जाए.
बहुत खूब, बहुत मजा आ रहा है अमीन भाई.
तो ये आपकी लकीरों की दुनिया है, जो जहाँ पे लकीरें जो है कम ना करें, लेकिन लकीरें जो है प्यार को बढ़ाएं. और अगर प्यार को ना बढ़ाएं तो जैसे आपने कहा बिल्कुल मिट ही जाए, या तो प्यार की गांठ बन जाए, वो भी 2 लकीरें, या बिल्कुल मिट जाए. तो थैंक यू सो मच for coming and joining us. Thank you so much for singing that song with us. You're such a big sport, and इस फेस्टिवल की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you so much, Amin. Thanks a ton. Thank you, Kartika, for inviting me as well.
Thank
All
you.
the best to you with the festival.
Thank you, Kapil. It was absolutely evocative and absolutely interesting discussion. Thank you to you both.